Hi anglers! If you're looking for the best low-profile bait casting fishing reels to elevate your fishing game, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the top 5 best low-profile bait casting fishing reels, an in-depth look at their features, pros, and cons to help you pick the perfect reel for your next adventure. Let's cast right into it. Number 5 on our list is the Handing low-profile bait casting fishing reels. The Handamon low-profile bait casting fishing reel is a well-designed, high-performance reel built for anglers seeking a reliable and versatile tool for their fishing adventures. With advanced features like a 10-level magnetic braking system, high-quality ball bearings, and a durable low-profile design, this reel offers exceptional performance across various fishing environments. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Handamon bait casting fishing reel to help you decide if it's the right choice for your next fishing trip. Pros: accurate performance with 10-level magnetic braking system. The Handamon bait casting reel features a 10-level magnetic braking system with 30 pins and 8 magnetic beans. This provides exceptional control over casting distance and accuracy, allowing anglers to fine-tune the reel to their preferences. Whether you're fishing in windy conditions or need precise casts, this advanced braking system ensures smooth and accurate performance every time. High-quality bearings for smooth operation. Equipped with 6+1 double-shield stainless steel ball bearings, the Mon reel guarantees smooth and consistent operation. These bearings reduce friction and enhance the overall performance of the reel, ensuring longer-lasting reliability. Whether you're reeling in fish or casting your line, the ball bearings offer a seamless fishing experience. Durable brass gear and shaft. The brass gear and shaft used in the Handamon reel provides superior durability and corrosion resistance. These materials are well suited for both freshwater and saltwater fishing, offering anglers peace of mind when it comes to long-term use. The sturdy construction ensures reliable performance, even in harsh fishing environments. High-performance drag system. The reel is equipped with 3-disc carbon fiber drag washers, offering a drag capacity of up to 8 kg. This powerful drag system ensures that you can handle large fish with ease, providing smooth resistance and preventing line breakage during the fight. The carbon fiber washers are known for their durability and reliability, giving you a high-performance reel for various types of fishing. Cons: potential overkill for casual fishers. For anglers who only fish occasionally or in calm conditions, the advanced features of the Handamon reel may be more than necessary. The reel's high-performance capabilities, such as the drag capacity and braking system, could be overkill for casual fishing trips. If you're looking for a simple reel with basic features, this may not be the most appropriate choice. The Handamon low-profile baitcasting fishing reel is a well-built, high-performance reel that stands out for its accuracy, durability, and versatility. Whether you're targeting big-game fish in saltwater or casting in a calm lake, the Mon reel offers smooth operation, corrosion resistance, and a reliable drag system that will serve you well in various fishing environments. Its advanced braking system and high-quality bearings make it a solid choice for both seasoned anglers and those looking to upgrade their gear. Number 4 is the Johncoo Ares low-profile baitcasting fishing reels. The Johncoo Ares low-profile baitcasting fishing reel is designed for anglers who require both durability and performance when battling big fish. Equipped with high-strength components and a smooth casting mechanism, this reel promises to elevate your fishing experience. But does it live up to expectations? Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros and cons. Pros: copper main gear for durability. One of the standout features of the Johncoo Ares reel is its copper main gear, which is engineered for high strength and corrosion resistance. This makes the reel ideal for fighting larger fish, as the copper material can withstand the intense pressure and wear that comes with big game fishing. The robust construction ensures that the reel maintains its performance even under harsh conditions. 7+1 ball bearings for smooth casting. The reel comes equipped with 7+1 ball bearings, including Japanese NMB bearings at both ends of the wire cup. This setup allows for exceptionally smooth line retrieval and casting, reducing friction and enhancing overall performance. anglers can enjoy longer, smoother casts without worrying about line tangles or snags, which is crucial when targeting large fish at a distance. Drag Alert System. The Drag Alert System is another useful feature of the Johncoo Ares reel. It makes a clicking sound when the drag is engaged, helping anglers quickly assess the situation during the fight. This auditory cue can be crucial when managing the tension on the line and ensuring that you're not overexerting the drag, especially when dealing with strong fish. Cons. Size and weight. While the aluminum frame helps reduce weight, the overall size of the Johncoo Ares may still be a bit bulky for some users, especially those who prefer compact, lightweight reels. The larger size could be uncomfortable for anglers who prefer smaller reels for ease of handling or who want a reel that can be packed easily for travel. The Johncoo Ares low-profile bait-casting fishing reel excels in providing a durable, high-performance option for anglers targeting big fish. With features like its copper main gear, 7+1 ball bearings, drag alert system, and strong magnetic brake system, it delivers smooth operation and reliability even in challenging conditions. The reel's aluminum frame adds strength without unnecessary weight, making it ideal for tough, long-lasting use. Coming in at number 3 is the Okuma Edge low-profile bait-casting fishing reels. The Okuma Edge low-profile bait-casting fishing reel is designed for anglers who demand precision, durability, and reliable performance from their fishing gear. Packed with a range of features like precision-cut brass gears, clear-view technology, and 7BB plus 1RB stainless steel bearings, the Edge reel stands out as a top-tier choice for both professional and casual anglers. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Okuma Edge bait-casting reel to help you make an informed decision. Pros. Precision machine-cut brass gears. One of the standout features of the Okuma Edge reel is its precision machine-cut brass main and pinion gears. These gears are designed to deliver smooth and reliable operation, ensuring that the reel performs optimally, even under heavy use. Brass gears are known for their durability, making them resistant to wear and tear, which results in a longer lifespan for the reel. Clear-view technology with anti-fogging line counter. The Clear-view technology provides an anti-fogging line counter, giving anglers a clear view of the line counter display even in adverse weather conditions. This feature is particularly useful during long fishing sessions, as it ensures you can monitor the line easily, providing more precise control over your casting and retrieval. 7BB plus 1RB stainless steel bearings. With 7 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 roller bearing, the Okuma Edge reel ensures smooth operation and long-lasting performance. These bearings help reduce friction, which translates to better casting distance and smoother retrieval. This feature enhances the overall fishing experience, especially when handling larger fish or longer fishing trips. Cons. Heavy for extended use. While the Okuma Edge reel offers great durability, its build quality and the inclusion of metal components may make it heavier than some other reels in its class. For anglers who plan to fish for extended periods, this extra weight could result in hand fatigue. A lighter option might be preferable for those looking for ease of use during long fishing sessions. The Okuma Edge low-profile bait-casting fishing reel is an impressive choice for anglers who demand precision, durability, and advanced features in their fishing gear. With its precision-cut brass gears, clear-view technology line counter, and multi-disc carbonite drag system, the Okuma Edge reel excels in both performance and reliability. It's designed to handle a variety of fishing environments and is perfect for both professional and seasoned anglers. Number 2 is the Daiwa Tatula low-profile bait-casting fishing reels. The Daiwa Tatula low-profile bait-casting reel series offers a range of high-performance options tailored to various fishing techniques and conditions. Whether you're an angler seeking a lightweight, versatile reel for finesse fishing or a power fisherman looking for durability and strength to tackle larger quarry, the Tatula series has something to offer. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of the Tatula 100, Tatula 150, and Tatula 200 reels. Pros. Lightweight and comfortable. The Tatula 100 is the smallest and lightest reel in the series, weighing just 6.9 ounces. This makes it extremely comfortable and fatigue-free to use for long fishing sessions. Its palmable design fits comfortably in the hand, offering great control and reducing the strain on the wrist and fingers, making it ideal for anglers of all skill levels. This reel is particularly suitable for junior anglers or those with smaller hands due to its compact design. Day-wing system for longer, more accurate casts. All three models in the Tatula series feature Daiwa's T-wing system, which improves casting distance and accuracy. This system allows the line to pay out freely during casts and flips, reducing friction and improving line control. It ensures that the Tatula 100, 150, and 200 all perform well in terms of casting efficiency, even in challenging conditions. Smooth operation with ball bearings. The Tatula 150 is equipped with 7 ball bearings and 1 roller bearing, providing an incredibly smooth retrieval. This high bearing count reduces friction and enhances the overall feel, making it easier to reel in even the largest fish. Whether you're casting or retrieving, the reel delivers a smooth experience that is hard to match at this price point. Cons. The Tatula 100, 150, and 200 are heavier. The Tatula 150 and Tatula 200 are more robust and suited for power bass fishing, but their heavier construction may not be ideal for anglers looking for a lightweight option. For those who prefer light and easy-to-maneuver reels, these models might feel cumbersome during prolonged fishing sessions. The additional weight can also impact casting comfort for some anglers. The Daiwa Tatula low-profile baitcasting reels offer a blend of comfort, durability, and performance for both finesse and power fishing. Whether you choose the Tatula 100 for its lightweight and palmable design, the Tatula 150 for its power and smoothness, or the Tatula 200 for its robust construction for heavier tackle, you're investing in a high-quality reel suited for various fishing applications. And finally, our number one pick is the Piscifun Alijoz 300 low-profile baitcasting fishing reels. The Piscifun Alijoz 300 low-profile baitcasting fishing reel is designed for anglers who value both versatility and durability in their fishing gear. Featuring multiple gear ratios, a premium aluminum frame, ergonomic design, and a high drag capacity, this reel is built to handle both freshwater and saltwater fishing challenges. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Piscifun Alijoz 300, helping you decide if it's the right reel for your fishing needs. Pros: versatile gear ratios. The Piscifun Alijoz 300 is available in 2 different gear ratios, 599 and 891. This versatility allows anglers to choose the right ratio for different fishing techniques and preferences. The 5.91 gear ratio is ideal for slower retrieves, offering more control when fishing with larger lures, while the 8.12 ratio provides faster retrieval speeds for techniques that require quick line recovery, such as flipping and pitching. Durable aluminum frame. Constructed with a premium aluminum frame, the Piscifun Alijoz 300 reel is built to withstand harsh fishing environments. Aluminum is known for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, ensuring the reel is both lightweight and highly durable. This makes it a perfect choice for anglers who frequently fish in tough conditions, whether it's in saltwater or rough weather. Multiple handle options. The reel comes with multiple handle options, including both a power handle and a double handle. This allows anglers to customize the reel to their preferences for a more personalized fishing experience. Whether you prefer the extra torque and power of a single handle or the enhanced control of a double handle, the Piscifun Alijoz 300 provides flexibility to suit different fishing styles and techniques. Ergonomic design for comfort. The ergonomic design of the Piscifun Alijoz 300 reel is geared towards providing comfort and ease of use. It features an easy-to-access thumb bar engage button for quick and effortless line control. Additionally, the reel comes with a sturdy line wrap spool, which contributes to enhanced stability and smoothness when casting and retrieving. This ergonomic design ensures that anglers can fish for extended periods without experiencing discomfort. Cons. Plastic components. While the Piscifun Alijoz 300 is designed with a durable aluminum frame, certain internal components and parts of the reel are made from plastic. While these parts do not typically affect the overall performance, some anglers may prefer reels with all-metal constructions, particularly for long-term durability and high-performance applications. The Piscifun Alijoz 300 low-profile bait-casting fishing reel is a versatile and durable reel that caters to a wide range of fishing techniques and preferences. With its multiple gear ratios, ergonomic design, and high drag capacity, it's a solid choice for anglers looking for a reliable and customizable reel that can handle various environments and fish species.